Hi, in this video, I walk you through the technical implementation of our warehouse management system built with Quarkus. To ensure the project is completely portable and easy to create, we configured to build a single Uber jar. As you can see in the POM file, this runner jar contains all necessary dependencies, allowing the application to run on any machine by using just Java 21. And we also implemented our hexagonal architecture. As you can see, we have the adapter, core, persistent, and port layers. And in core, you see the domain with the necessary order item, employee order, and item classes. We also have the logic, which includes the business rules, and we also implemented catch here. As you can see, it actually uses the ports, like inner and outer port, what we have here. They are the communication interface, and warehouse service actually is the bridge between them. It implements the inner ports and calls the outer ports. So as you can see in here, as I said, they also have the business rule. It's like completely including them and separated from the other layers. And it also has the catch, which we have the caffeine catch here, and only used by the necessary methods like load all items or like by get methods. So, and we also have this results class to demonstrate errors better or to demonstrate the solutions, the responses better, so to speak. And then we have this persistence with the JPA entities. They're actually the entities which we can put in the data bank. So it's like converting domains to entities, these entities to write on data bank, which we are doing it actually in outer adapter. In this warehouse mapper actually gets the domain and converts it to the persistence or vice versa. So while we are here, let's move on with the adapter out. We also have this warehouse service adapter. It actually implements the outer ports and it's actually written on the data bank. So this is the methods. And then we have the inner adapter with the data transfer objects like employee creation object, item creation request, so on. We also have this links class, which is necessary for hypermedia principle. We have implemented as a separate class. And we have an extra class here like facade. It takes the data transferred objects and converts them to the domain objects, which is sent it into the controller. So it's like the one more step before controller. Then we got to the controller. This is the HTTP request part. While I am showing you this, I can also run my Maven, clean verify, to see if my test cases works, if I can load everything from the POM file, if the system can run. So while it's loading, I can show you still my controller. As you can see, we implemented, for example, this hypermedia principle by just adding the links and the necessary names for them. And I think it's already almost done, so let me scroll down again. Yeah, it's built successfully, and you can see the tests are all green. Now we need to just run the Docker. We say Docker builds, and it loads. Now Docker remove final check. Let's container we had, and now run. As you can see, Quarkus works finally very good, and we just need to call this. Yeah, now we can just see this open API, our APIs and endpoints here. And let's just make a really quick example with the order. Let's say it's Aldi. And when we say execute, we get the right status code. Also, we get the next executions, like next endpoints and this is the hypermediate principle. Thank you for listening.